If you're looking for a cosmopolitan yet relaxing place in Cyclades, Paros Island is definitely the perfect choice for you. Crystal clear waters, chic cocktail bars, elegant restaurants, Greek hospitality, and breathtaking landscape. There are just so many things to do and to see in Paros. After spending over 2 months on this beautiful Greek island, I'm ready to share with you all the best Paros has to offer. Before we begin, please remember to press that like button and to subscribe so we can travel the world together. Alright, without further ado, here's a complete travel guide to Paros, Greece. Let's begin with the best time to visit this beautiful Greek island. In my opinion, May, June, and September are 3 the most wonderful months not only for Paros, but for traveling to Greece in general. The weather is absolutely perfect for swimming and afternoon strolls. There are not that many people around, so you can easily get into places without a reservation and really get the feel for the island. Once you're on the island, I definitely recommend renting a car or some form of transportation. If you're looking for the best way to rent a car in Paros or any of the Greek islands, definitely check out my guide on renting a car in Greece in the description below. When it comes to things to do in Paros, the options are endless. During the day, I recommend to enjoy some of the numerous beaches in Paros, like the world-famous Kolymbithres Beach, impressive thanks to the huge blocks of granite sculpted into strange smooth shapes by the sea and wind over the centuries, something that you absolutely have to see with your own eyes. Or a golden beach, a blue flag beach. The winds on that part of the island create perfect conditions for anyone who is into water sports. For top 5 best beaches in Paros, check out my complete guide in the description below. If you're in the mood to explore, then head to a small village of Lefkes, hidden between the mountains covered with olive trees. The former capital of Paros, with only 500 inhabitants, is full of narrow stone streets, whitewashed houses, and Venetian architecture. The highlight of the village is the Byzantine church, dating all the way back to the 15th century. From Lefkes, you can drive up for another 20 minutes to enjoy some of the most insane 360-degree views over Paros. I definitely recommend getting there right before the sunset. Another perfect afternoon idea is to head over to Naoussa, one of the most lively destinations on the Cycladic Islands. Here you can spend the entire afternoon getting lost on little narrow white alleys, admiring stunning landscape, shopping for presents or for yourself, and when you're ready, head over to one of the numerous little cafes for an aperitivo. Cheers, fabulous! If you've discovered the entire Paros Island and in the mood for some Greek island hopping, visiting its sister island, Antiparos, is another excellent idea. Located just a 7-minute ferry ride away from Paros, Antiparos Island is ideal for anyone who is seeking a relaxing escape. Filled with little traditional tavernas and secluded beaches, the island is ideal for a perfect day trip. For all the things to do on Antiparos Island, I will leave a link to Antiparos travel guide in the description below. Now let's talk about food on Paros Island. With so many beautiful and inviting tavernas and restaurants to choose from, it can get a bit confusing. No worries, fabulous. I tried them all, so you don't have to. Looking for a lunch place with the perfect right-on-the-water location, stunning views, friendly service, and some of the freshest seafood on the island? Then definitely head over to Balcony Tawaki. You will not be disappointed. Make it a late lunch, as the sunsets you'll see from this taverna are hard to beat. Oh, and have I mentioned the portions? Another great lunch option is Monastiri Beach House, located on Monastiri Beach. When you head over there, don't even ask for a menu. Order octopus bruschettas and thank me later. One of the best dishes I've ever had. For the best aperitivo on the Paros Island, try out Seven Senses. The views from that place, as well as the service, are hard to beat. If you're into gin like I am, ask for a gin cocktail infused with fruits, red peppers, and mint. And for dinner, head over to one of the most popular and rightfully so restaurants, Mario. There are just so many incredible lunch and dinner places to choose from on Paros. For a full Where to Eat in Paros list, check out my restaurant and Taverna Paros Greece travel guide in the description below. Finally, if you're wondering where to stay in Paros, I recommend to either rent a house like I did with a close proximity to both main city centers and beaches, or if you have to choose between staying in the capital of Paros, Parikia, and cosmopolitan Naoussa, I would go with a hotel or B&B in Naoussa. I truly hope that you enjoyed my Paros Greece travel guide and, most importantly, you found it useful. If you still have any questions on what to do in Paros, where to stay, where to eat in Paros Island, and more, feel free to always leave me a comment below. And if you haven't done so, please remember to press that like button and to subscribe for more travel tips, tricks, and inspiration from around the world. I will see you all at the next destination, the biggest kiss from the Greek islands.